Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and we absolutely love this string trimmer head from Echo. This ECHOMatic string trimmer head is awesome. We have it paired with our gas-powered Echo string trimmer, and this is like a powerhouse combination. It is super easy to operate, it's easy to attach to your trimmer, and it just does an absolute amazing job. Cool thing about this is that when you need to advance the string, you simply bump the trimmer head down on the ground and it will advance the string for you. So there's no fiddling with it. You can simply tap it down and be on your way, which is just awesome. This is an awesome trimmer head if you are a professional landscaper, which we are not, but this makes taking care of your yard and all the chores around the house so much easier, and they get done absolutely in no time. So we really love all of the products in the Echo line. They really make taking care of your space so much easier, so much faster, so you can spend more time doing other things. So we would absolutely recommend this product, and that's my point of view.